Oh, he came up right there and grabbed it. Dude, he hit it hard. I wasn't even looking. I looked back. Nice fish too, man. I don't know what it is. Peacock, maybe? He know the crap out of it. I don't know what it is. It's gotta be a peacock, the way he's swimming. Big peacock too, man. Look at you, man. Oh no, what is it? Yeah, it's a peacock, brown. Dude, that's a mangrove snapper. Oh my goodness. That's a freaking mangrove snapper. Freshwater mangrove snapper. Dude, look at the size of that mangrove. No wonder he hit it so freaking hard. Oh my goodness, look at the size. I know they're in the freshwater canal. People don't believe me when I tell them that. Look at the size of this mangrove snapper, guys. Oh my goodness. Let me get the lure out of him, because he's going to go home for dinner. Oh my goodness. I did not see this coming. I did not see this coming. Oh man, he nailed the crap out of it. Topwater mangrove snapper, guys. That's one. Hang on, buddy. I don't have nothing to keep, no cooler or nothing. I was not expecting to catch me a 3-pound mangrove snapper in fresh water. I know they're in here. I know they're in fresh water. People don't believe me. Oh man. And yes, this is freshwater canal. Looks like it's going to start raining in a minute. Actually, it's already drizzling. Oh, he got in there good. He nailed the crap out of it. Come on, buddy. Let me see how you got that hooked in here. I can't put my fingers in there because he's got those teeth. Open your mouth, man. Come on. Open up, buddy. The hook broke? Yep, one of the hook broke. Dude, I'm not fishing for this. I'm fishing for bass. 17-pound leader, bass lure. Don't lose them, man. Look at the size of this mangrove snapper in freshwater. Look at that. Look. I did not see this coming. No, I did not. I know there's snappers in freshwater here in Homestead canals, but I did not think I was going to catch me a 3-pound mangrove snapper here. Oh, man, I don't have nothing to keep them, and I want to take them home and eat them. Oh, maybe I should just let him go. Oh my goodness, I did not. No wonder he nailed the crap out of it. That's why I couldn't tell what it was. Get one more look at him. Easy 3 pounds, 2.5. Come here, buddy. 2.5, 3-pounders. Easy, look at him. Easy 2.5, 3-pounder. Look at that. Look at that. That is pretty. That is pretty. Thank you, Lord. That made it. That made my trip right here. This made my trip right here. I don't know where to put them. I want to take them home and eat them. I guess I'll just leave them here. Got some rain coming, so it'll pass by quick. Thank you.